was 207 until I had a cup of coffee. But 208 is officially on the record. Down 2 pounds since last Saturday. So about this weight thing. Started this challenge 13 days ago. I weighed in at 214. A week later, I weighed 210. Another week later, this Saturday, I weighed 208, as you just saw. In the middle of the week, at one point when my calories were low and my carbs were low, because I'm doing like this calorie carb cycle thing to burn fat but to keep muscle, I hit 204, and then I started ramping up my calories towards the end of the week because that's when my energy starts really diving. And yesterday I ate 4 pieces of bread, a little bit of peanut butter. Before I got on the scale, I had a cup of coffee, which put me at 208. So how do you even really measure how much weight you're losing? Obviously, I'm down 2 pounds because even after fluctuation eating, I stayed 2 pounds lighter than I was last Saturday, which was the same situation. So your major way to measure is to just look in the mirror. What is the mirror telling you? I think I look a little bit more cut than last week. Maybe not. But don't worry about the weight too much. And remember, our end goal is to build good habits and sustain a healthy, happy lifestyle. So 208. And what I look like in the mirror, not really that important. Because I know at the end of 75 days, if I continue to do, obviously everything is in the right trajectory. We're on the right scale. I mean, the weight is going down. The muscles are showing up. Obviously, if I just stay the course, continue to do what I'm doing, not going to be an issue. I'm going to hit 75 days. I'm going to look back and go, wow, look how far I came. And then I'm going to take a nice little break of rest, no working out, eating good, and then right back into another challenge. And I would like to do another challenge with any of you at that point, a 30-day or a 15-day or something we can all do together. Start the same day, track the same day in the same way, and see what our results are. Because we're a team. We work together. We recover together. We do all this better together. Saturday, you ready for some cardio?
Yeah, buddy. Make sure I get my sweater on right and get some cardio on.
You know, your actions reveal how badly you want something. If you keep saying something is priority, but you never act on it, then you don't really want it. It's time to have an honest conversation with yourself. Your actions reveal your true motivation.
Should be far more concerned with your trajectory than with your results.
Success is not a goal to reach or a finish line to cross. It is a system to improve, an endless process to refine. Problem number 1, winners and losers have the same goal. What does that mean? Winners and losers have the same goals. Losers go, I want that goal. I got that goal too. But they don't do nothing about it because their actions prove their true priority and motivation. A winner has the same goal. They want to be successful and do good. But guess what? They do it. They get out every day and make it happen. Make it their top priority. Nothing gets in the way. Nothing compromises what they've decided they're gonna do. Look at yourself right now. What are your motivations? Look in the mirror. Go talk to yourself. Maybe you need to slap yourself. Who knows? About, you can still eat healthy. This is one of my favorite places ever to eat. It's so delicious. The Old Grist Mill. This is healthy food.
What name did you put?
Full sandwich and a cup of soup to stay. I get a full sandwich, grilled, yes please. I get it on wheat, no mayo, And I get pepper jack cheese, turkey, pastrami, lettuce, tomato, pickle, obviously no cookies. I get a cup of soup, chicken noodle with a piece of wheat bread, W-H-E-A-T. Then I write my name. Back at it again. It's Saturday, and the thing that I'm having trouble with today is my second workout. I don't like to do the exact same workout routine every single day, especially twice a day. I like to change it up. My workouts are never the same. I hit the same body parts and we do the same type of workout, but I always change it up because, let's face it, man, I get bored. The same old routines all the time. So right now I'm contemplating, like, what are we gonna do tonight? We're gonna go on a bike ride, we're gonna go on a walk, we're gonna walk up a hill, we're gonna go to the gym and hit CrossFit and do yoga. Do you wanna hear the Stairmaster? Or maybe an Olympic? I don't know, it's tough to decide. But we are back at it. So we decided to come to the gym and to shake things up a little. Watch her face when I tell everybody this. What we're going to do... What?
Watch her face. It's gonna be hard.
Not gonna be hard, it's just gonna be weird. Our legs and butt are big muscles, so if we get them working, that gets our heart rate up, easy cardio. We're gonna do 2 minutes on these stairs. Gets the heart pumping, gets us sweating good. After those 2 minutes, we're gonna set up on this bench, and she's gonna set up on that bench, or vice versa, for 3 reps. So that's 2, 4, 6 minutes, 1, 2, 3 sets on the bench. After that, we're gonna go back to the stair machine for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna do 3 sets of some type of pulling, because your back is a big muscle too. Another way to get easy cardio, we're gonna keep our weights light and our reps a little higher. All we're trying to do is keep our heart rate and get a bunch of blood into a bunch of our big muscles. Leg, butt, chest, and back. Whew! Got it in there. 40 minutes of straight up circuit training type of cardio. Got all our big muscles filled with blood, heart rate up, burned about 400 calories. And now, since yesterday we didn't get to do our yoga, we're gonna spend the last 5 minutes with some well-deserved roller and stretching.